Alright, so we're about to be here at the Corvette. It just arrived. Unfortunately, bad fucking news. The people who picked up the car before, well, let me run down the story. We got it picked up before by somebody else. And when they noticed the suspension was damaged and I didn't even was really aware of it, they didn't want to pick it up and bring it. So they took the key on accident, and then the next driver who picked it up without the key and brought it here without the key. So now we got to get in touch with the other driver to get the key back and get it sent over. Right now we are looking, sorry, it's a little traffic going on. We're looking for the Corvette right now. I believe it's on a flatbed. Sorry. All right, let's look for that. Back. Here we are with the car. Corvette. Stingray. ¿Cómo estamos? Sí. We got the car here, the damage. This motherfucker's lost the key to this shit. Look at this. Let's go ahead and get it down. And we'll make a full review, a full video on it. Sí. You guys see the Corvette's right behind me on the tow truck. Can't show you guys, but once we'll stop, I will show you guys. I got another tow truck coming because so what's going on right now, as you guys know, the suspension is damaged. And as you know, the whole story with the key, that we don't have the key right now and not able to start it and, you know, do what we need to do to get it actually parked and sit somewhere. Safe place, of course. So I got another small tow truck coming that's going to be able to lift it up from the front and just basically roll it backwards to the parking into a good place. Since the flatbed won't be able just to drop it and throw it under, because, you know, it's a low car. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So once the car is fully dropped, I'll go ahead and take a video of it, just so you guys know too. Sometimes buying cars like this and not actually going to see the damage up front can cause this type of inconvenience. Like, you know, you have to do this and order this type of tow trucks and get this small, you know, different tow trucks to, you know, park the car right. And, you know, it's definitely costs money. You got to pay each guy, especially, you know, the trailer that came to drop the car from Houston, Texas. So now, you know, I'm spending more money. So we'll go ahead and get into that. And hopefully, if anyone knows of any suspensions or parts for Corvettes, hit me up. Maybe in time I might find the parts, but if I don't, you know, make sure you email me and let me know what you got. All right, let's do it. Back at the BMW i8, and we finally got the new guy here, the Corvette. Like it's a thumbnail. See the damage going around here. Start off with the front end. Checking out the fender damaged here. You guys see it's raining, so sorry about anything that messes up on the video. Front bumper, left side headlight, left fender complete. The whole assembly inside. Look at this, all fucking plastic and fiberglass, carbon fiber, not sure. But look at this. Took a long time to get started. Was able to pop the trunk. Let me show you guys. So what you do if you ever need to jump start one of these is hold on. Oh, the i8 key. Get the key of this guy. So you get your key, you go under here, take the key out. And what you'll do is under there, if you guys see, there's a little key. Or you put your key in, and you're able to pop your trunk. What I do in this case. And battery location is right there. So we're gonna close that. I'm gonna close it all the way because it still doesn't have power. You charge the battery, you'll probably get a new battery. So we're gonna open up. Shit, that's the problem. See, when you open these cars, it needs to have power in the back. Just like the i8. It's all powered now. So, give me a sec. Put this on. Alright, so we got that on. Get it refurbished up, cleaned up. It is in neutral now. Do need to put it in parking. Alright, what inch it is, and now check that out in there. It's really good and clean. Sorry if I'm being a little too hard there. So we definitely want to get it started up, and you guys see the roof does come off, which is pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and close that. The fucked up part about it, these windows keep going down and the rain will keep getting in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the window up. I'm gonna crank it because see, it doesn't start. Didn't expect for it to start. So what you do is close this, put the windows up. I mean, it does crank, just needs enough voltage to start up.
This vehicle is connected by OnStar to limited services.
Oh, really? Alright, so go ahead and turn it off. Shit, I gotta watch myself. Windows keep going down, car's gonna keep getting more wet. Just like me. Alright, so we got that done. Gonna go ahead and cut that off. Gonna put this guy back to charge because he is kind of low on battery. And since this is a V8, I might need a second jump box to get this puppy started. You guys know it is a Stingray. Check it out from the back. It's real good. You guys see on the other side, it's completely straight. Yep. So let's go ahead and see how we get this guy fixed up, touched up. Let's see. Alright, it was there too. Alright, so we're going to do another video to get out this rain and do another video when everything's dried up. Let's get this puppy started.